I enter my office. I enter my office. I put my bag on the chair. I put my bag on the chair. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I log in to my email. I log in to my email. I reply to some urgent messages. I reply to some urgent messages. I write my to-do list. I write my to-do list. I attend a morning meeting. I attend a morning meeting. I listen to my boss. I listen to my boss. I take some notes in my notebook. I take some notes in my notebook. I type a report on the computer. I type a report on the computer. I talk to my colleagues. I talk to my colleagues. I share some ideas with the team. I share some ideas with the team. I feel a bit busy now. I feel a bit busy now. I drink more water at my desk. I drink more water at my desk. I take a short break. I take a short break. I stand up and stretch. I stand up and stretch. I look out the window for a minute. I look out the window for a minute. I feel hungry around noon. I feel hungry around noon. I go to the cafeteria for lunch. I go to the cafeteria for lunch. I order a bowl of soup. I order a bowl of soup. I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. I talk about our weekend plans. I talk about our weekend plans. I enjoy the delicious food. I enjoy the delicious food. I finish my lunch at 1 p.m. I finish my lunch at 1 p.m. I feel full and happy. I feel full and happy. I buy a cup of green tea. I buy a cup of green tea. I walk around the park nearby. I walk around the park nearby. I breathe in the fresh air. I breathe in the fresh air. I see some birds on the trees. I see some birds on the trees. I sit on a wooden bench. I sit on a wooden bench. I rest for 15 minutes. I rest for 15 minutes. I go back to work. I go back to work. I check my calendar for the afternoon. I check my calendar for the afternoon. I make a few phone calls. I make a few phone calls. I send some files to my client. I send some files to my client. I print out some documents. I print out some documents. I organize the papers on my desk. I organize the papers on my desk. I use a stapler to join papers. I use a stapler to join papers. I look for a blue pen. I find it in my drawer. I find it in my drawer. I feel a little bit tired now. I feel a little bit tired now. I wash my face to stay awake. I wash my face to stay awake. I eat an apple for a snack. I eat an apple for a snack. I feel more energetic now. I feel more energetic now. I complete my daily tasks. I complete my daily tasks. I save all my work on the computer. I save all my work on the computer. I turn off the monitor. I turn off the monitor. I clean my workspace. I clean my workspace. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office at 5 p.m. I leave the office at 5 p.m. I go to the gym near my office. I go to the gym near my office. I change into my workout clothes. I change into my workout clothes. I run on the treadmill for 20 minutes. I run on the treadmill for 20 minutes. I lift some small weights. I lift some small weights. I feel sweat on my forehead. I feel sweat on my forehead. I drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I feel very strong. I feel very strong. I take a shower at the gym. I take a shower at the gym. I put my gym clothes in a bag. I put my gym clothes in a bag. I head back home. I head back home.